Begin by removing the vegetation and organics from the project area. Total excavation should be roughly 2 inches, making sure to keep the proper slope and pitch needed for water drainage during heavy rain events. Pro tip: using string-alongs and a string line will help ensure the area maintains the desired slope while excavating. It may be necessary in sandy soils to use a board to screed the native soil to achieve a flat, smooth area to place the HexaBase panels. Pro tip: in this installation, we anticipated high volumes of water runoff from the surrounding buildings and installed our SB3 separation fabric under the gravel paver portion to eliminate any chance of our aggregate material migrating into the native soils below. Roll out the fabric, if used, and secure in place using landscaping staples. The application of fabric should only be considered for use under gravel pavers in high watershed areas. Begin laying out the HexaBase panels over the entire area, interlocking each panel together using the male-female tabs. It is generally easiest to lay full HexaBase panels first to form a straight edge before placing in trimmed panels around the edges of the project. Panels can be easily cut using a circular saw or similar. Once the entire area has been covered with HexaBase panels, fill the cells with the chosen material. For gravel pavers, virtually any aggregate material may be used that is 1 inch or less in size. Spread out and rake the material so the cells are overfilled approximately 1/4 inch. Compact the aggregate into the cells using a plate compactor, working in alternating directions to ensure the area is fully and evenly compacted. Some areas may need to be refilled after compaction as settling will occur. For grass pavers, fill the cells with black dirt or an appropriate material to promote seed germination. Cells can be filled completely and avoid compaction when spreading the material out. After seeding, rain will naturally settle the fill to the appropriate height to protect the grass root structures from traffic. HexaBase grass pavers can be seeded with several different options, including hand seeding, sod, or hydro seeding. Whichever seeding method is used, be sure to follow the seed manufacturer's recommendation thoroughly to ensure proper germination and a beautiful finished project. Contact an SRW sales representative for more information on HexaBase.